Hi, you're watching Pulpy Tamarind Channel. Today we'll see how to make Medhu Vadai. So we also call them Indian donuts because they have a hole in the center. For that we require black gram 1 cup, tur dal 1 tablespoon. Wash the dals 2-3 times and soak them in water for 3 hours. The water should cover them.
Drain the water and grind it in a blender into a thick fine paste. Use as little water as is possible because the lesser the water, the donuts or the Indian Medhu Vadai will come out better. The batter should be very fluffy and light. We need to add a little bit of salt while blending the batter, and you can make it in batches. Salt should not be added after blending. So once we make the batter, we should start making the donuts. We should not refrigerate it and do it later. We need to add some vegetables into the batter. We'll add coriander leaves, curry leaves, onion, ginger, green chilies and cumin seeds. So we'll add one by one all the ingredients into the batter. Cut onions finely and in long slices. Finely chopped coriander leaves, a few sprigs of curry leaves, finely cut green chilies as per taste, salt while blending the dals, half an inch of ginger finely cut, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. So cut all the ingredients and keep it aside. Add all the ingredients into the batter. So now the batter is ready. Keep oil for frying, heat it, and once it's hot, keep it in medium heat and start making the Indian donuts. You need to wet your hands, take a bit of the dough, make a hole with the thumb and try to fry them. If the batter is in the right consistency, it's easy to make the Indian donut. You need to wet your hands, take a bit of the batter, try to make a flat disc and a hole with the thumb, and then just put that in the oil, hot oil, and fry. So it will hold its shape and the hole will help in cooking from the inside, and it will come out crisp and brown, golden brown and cooked and soft inside. If the batter is right, the Medhu Vadas will be very tasty, very fluffy and very aerated and soft inside and crispy outside. But if you have made a batter which is not of the right consistency, it's very tight and not fluffy, then you will have a very tight, thick, dense vadas which will be not very palatable. And if you add a lot of water in the batter, then what will happen is it will just soak the oil and you will have a very oily and soggy vadas. So the consistency of batter is very important to make a fluffy bread-like vadas. It should be aerated. So we'll deep fry all the Indian donuts or Medhu Vadai and fry them and take them out. So the batter is everything, and the batter is of the right consistency. The Medhu Vadai is very tasty. It has to be light, fluffy and aerated and should have layers just like as in bread. So it should be soaked for 3 hours and blended really well till it becomes fluffy. So the batter, if of right consistency, and the technique of making the batter vadas is which comes out of experience, is learnt, then you get golden fried vadas which are crisp outside and very soft and fluffy inside. Coconut chutney is the best accompaniment for vada. You can also add shredded cabbage, grated carrots and greens. You can serve it with sambar, rasam and also curd and chutneys. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching Pulpy Tamarind Channel.